Gen Z is totally changing how money works. Do you want to know how FinTech, AI, and crypto are completely revolutionizing spending, saving, and investing for tomorrow's leaders? In this video, we're going to break down every single innovation and show you exactly how to take advantage of this new tech for smarter money moves. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment right now. What app or digital money tool do you use the most? So why is Gen Z leading this massive digital money revolution? Well, the stats don't lie. This is a mobile-first generation, quick to adopt digital wallets, crypto platforms, and even autonomous investing. Many traditional banking just doesn't cut it anymore. The old ways are slow, they're filled with fees, and they just don't fit into the fast-paced, always-on lifestyle that Gen Z lives and breathes. It's not about rejecting money. It's about demanding a better, smarter, and more efficient way to manage it. This generation grew up with the internet in their pockets, so it's only natural they expect their finances to be just as accessible and intuitive as their favorite social media app. Let's dive into FinTech 101, the apps, wallets, and everyday money hacks you need to know. Think about the top FinTech apps for banking, budgeting, saving that are dominating in 2025. We're talking about instant peer-to-peer payments, smart budgeting tools that categorize your spending automatically, and digital banks that have zero monthly fees. It's a game changer. Imagine this. You need to send money to a friend. Instead of waiting days for a bank transfer, you can do it instantly with just a few taps. These apps give you a crystal clear breakdown of where your money is going, helping you save without even thinking about it. Let's do a quick demo. I'll open up one of these trending apps right now and show you how easy it is to set a savings goal, track your progress, and even find areas where you can cut back. It puts all the power right back in your hands. Now let's talk about how AI is supercharging your savings and investments. Ever heard of a robo-advisor? These are AI-powered platforms that create and manage a personalized investment portfolio for you. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, but for a fraction of the cost. But AI doesn't stop there. It's also powering apps that give you personalized spending recommendations, helping you optimize your budget like a pro. These systems use machine learning to analyze your habits, spot money leaks you might have missed, and automate your investments. Imagine your app telling you, hey, you could save $30 this month by switching your coffee budget here, or automatically moving your spare change into an investment account. That's the power of AI in finance. It makes smart money decisions almost effortless. Okay, let's get into crypto for beginners. What does Gen Z really need to know? First, the basics. A crypto wallet is where you store your digital assets. An exchange is where you buy, sell, or trade them. You'll hear about coins like Bitcoin and tokens, which are built on existing blockchains. Now, why should you care about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins in 2025? Bitcoin is like digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum powers a huge ecosystem of apps and NFTs, and stablecoins are pegged to real-world currencies like the dollar, offering stability in a volatile market. Getting started is simpler than you think. The first step is to choose a reputable exchange. Set up your account and connect a payment method. You can start small, even with just a few dollars, to get a feel for how it all works. The key is to do your research and only invest what you're comfortable with. So, how are people actually earning, saving, and spending in this new digital world? Earning has gone way beyond a 9-to-5 job. Think micro-investing where your spare change gets invested automatically. Think affiliate payouts, direct payments for creators and influencers, and the gig economy, all powered by apps that make getting paid seamless. There are tons of digital side hustles and passive income apps that can help you build wealth online. When it comes to spending, it's all about convenience and optimization. We're talking contactless payments with your phone or watch, apps that make splitting the bill with friends a breeze, and easy cross-border payments without those crazy fees. Plus, many of these tools help you automatically optimize your rewards, making sure you get the most cash back or points on every single purchase. With all this new tech, we have to talk about risks and security. Protecting your money and your identity is non-negotiable. So what are some key cybersecurity tips? First, use a password manager to create and store unique, strong passwords for every single account. Second, enable multi-factor authentication wherever you can. This adds an extra layer of security. Be extremely wary of phishing scams, those emails or texts that look legit but are designed to steal your information. When it comes to crypto, never ever share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. By being smart and proactive about your digital security, you can protect your assets and enjoy the benefits of this new financial landscape without the stress. What's next for the future of digital money? The trends on the horizon are even more exciting. Have you heard of central bank digital currencies or CBDCs? These are digital versions of a country's official currency, and they could completely change how we transact. We're also going to see more AI-powered credit scoring, which could make it easier for people without a long credit history to get loans. And blockchain technology will likely be integrated into everyday payments, making them faster, cheaper, and more transparent. For Gen Z, this means the very concepts of credit, loans, and investing are being reshaped right before our eyes, creating opportunities that previous generations could only dream of. To bring it all together, let's hear some real Gen Z success stories. We've heard from users who've built up thousands in savings using robo-advisors, from creators who are earning a full-time income through crypto, and from students who are mastering their budgets with AI-powered apps. One person told us how they saved for a down payment just by using an app that rounded up their purchases and invested the difference. Another shared how they started earning passive income through a crypto staking platform. The lessons are clear. These tools work. We'd love to hear from you too. What are your experiences? Share your favorite tools and success stories in the comments. Ready to unlock the power of FinTech, AI, and crypto for your own money? If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly money hacks, and comment with your top digital tool or your biggest FinTech win down below. Coming up next, we're diving into passive income ideas Gen Z should try now. You don't want to miss it. Stay ahead, stay smart, and join the future of finance. Thanks for watching.